Oh my god, I'm so late to my Trios car dealership. Oh my god. I by the way, I'm night shift guys. So yeah, we're gonna go to my dealership. Okay? Okay, let's go here. Park my car. We're gonna park my car here. We're gonna park here. Oh. Oh, there's duck. Hi. Sorry I'm late. Look at our cars guys. You should buy this. Yeah, I have classic cars with original cars, uh, classic car again, and this car. Okay, so yeah, I'll pay you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will. I'll pay you tomorrow. Okay, I will pay you tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna go to the stuff. Close this. Okay, I'll gonna rest. Okay, if you want to buy our car, please come here in the Trios car dealership, okay? We're gonna yo, yeah, yo. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Go to sleep.